Well, we certainly had a fun or interesting morning. This morning, when I started streaming, or before I started streaming, Bitcoin shot up to 53,000. Then, shortly afterwards, during my stream, it seemed like Bitcoin was hovering around 52, a little bit under. And then, after my stream, wow, we saw Bitcoin go down, 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 down. Even below 51, we saw it, I think, hit a bottom about 50,700, right? It was a head scratcher. Like, who would be selling Bitcoin, right? And who would be selling this much to cause Bitcoin to go down all the way from 53, the top, all the way down to below 50, 50,500, right? And from my investigation, it seemed like it was from Grayscale. People saw that Grayscale, mass amount of Bitcoin from Grayscale was being moved to Coinbase. So, and we know that Grayscale has been selling. Maybe they had extra to dump, or whoever, institutions that may be holding Grayscale for whatever reason, or the parent company that owes a lot of money, whoever decided to dump, right? And we saw that crash, that dump going below $51,000. But here's the thing. As I'm recording this, Bitcoin is right back up to 52,000. I've been telling you guys, don't be feared out of the market. Right now, things are so good. There's just really little reason to be afraid. Now, if you're a leverage trader and you've been leverage trading, man, you probably were sweating bullets. Maybe you got liquidated. Maybe you were lucky and you were adjusting your leverage, or you added more. But I can see how leverage traders, or just traders in general, were sweating it out. But if you're a long time holder, this morning's dip really didn't affect things at all. And you could really tell that it was Bitcoin isolated, the dump, by looking at the alts. A lot of the alts didn't move. Like, you look at Solana, you even look at like ETH, and I was looking at something like Filecoin. They just didn't really, they came down a little bit, but they really didn't move, right? So it was pretty obvious it was Bitcoin isolated. But here's the thing. Now it seems like whatever Grayscale had to sell is over. And I just posted something on X that shows Van Eyck, who is, they have a Bitcoin ETF, but their ETF has been relatively small compared to the other guys, and their volume just exploded. Something happened within the last hour, and it looks very bullish. It looks very bullish because they're like number 6 or 8 on the list of the top companies. So I have no doubt that something big is happening. Van Eyck's volume shows that there's major buying right now, and I bet today, once we get some clear numbers, maybe tonight or tomorrow, that we'll see that BlackRock and Fidelity and ARK and all them, they loaded up today. Man, they loaded up like bandits. I have no question that they loaded up. Grayscale must have had such a big sell today to cause what happened. And even despite that, we're back to 52,000. So that means it was all eaten up. This is what I've been saying. Like, first of all, don't be flooded out of the market. And second of all, these ETFs, these big boys, these institutions are buying so much. Even when you have one entity selling 500, 600, maybe Grayscale sold $1 billion worth of Bitcoin today. I don't even know until the numbers come out. But regardless, whatever they sold was eaten up by the others like it was nothing. Right now, it's just early afternoon. As I'm filming this right now, it's not even 2 o'clock, right? Trading session still is ongoing. So, man, it just shows you how much demand there is. Like, there is infinite amount of demand. And the last thing I'll say is this. I saw Michael Saylor do an interview, and I'm just going to quote what he said. There's no reason to sell the winner for losers. Now, he was referring to equities, S&P 500, even tech stock. he was asked whether or not he would ever sell Bitcoin. And the answer is basically no. Why would you sell Bitcoin for others that are losers? Remember, if you ain't first, you're last. All right, guys, that's it. I just wanted to share this quick video with you guys. Overall, we had an exciting morning indeed. It's not over yet. Maybe we go down, retest a little bit, but I have a feeling that great things are about to come. This morning spike to 53,000 shows you that Bitcoin's ready to move. And if it wasn't for Grayscale mass dumping, whatever they did, I think we would have gone to the next level. And who knows, maybe by tonight we will be at the next level. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. All right, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys tonight, usual time, 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.